This tutorial shows you how to view permission usage timeline on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to see which apps have been accessing your camera, microphone, or location. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Privacy from the list. Let me show you. From there, look at the graph at the top showing recent camera, microphone, and location access. At this point, tap on Permission usage to see the full breakdown. In the next step, tap on the Permissions tab to view data sorted by category. Following this, tap on any category such as location to see which apps accessed it and when. Once done, tap on the Apps tab instead if you'd rather browse by app rather than by permission type. From here, tap on any app in that list to see its full 24-hour and 7-day access history. At this stage, tap on any listed permission within an app's page if you want to revoke it right from the screen. Keep in mind, this timeline only shows past access, so it won't block anything on its own unless you turn off the permission yourself. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to review your recent permission activity. And that's it. If this guide helped you view permission usage timeline on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.